In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Webflow. Whether you're refining your site or making room for new content, we'll walk through the process step by step together, ensuring you know precisely what to do at each stage. Let's start by heading over to the Webflow homepage. You'll need to navigate to Webflow's website, where the first thing you'll see is an option that says Get Started, it's free. Go ahead and give that a click. If you're not already a Webflow user, you'll need to sign up, which you can easily do using either your email and password or by signing in with your Google account. If you're creating a new account, make sure to set a unique password for added security. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Webflow dashboard. From here, look for the Sites section at the top, as this is where all your projects live. Click it and you'll see a list of your existing sites. Choose the site where you want to delete a page, then click Open Site to access its settings. Next, you'll focus on the pages within your selected site. To do this, navigate to the left-hand panel and click on Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages currently associated with your project. Find the specific page you wish to remove and click on Edit Page Settings. This step brings up various options that can be overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry. Each option offers different ways to manage your page. Here, it's important to ensure that you've saved any necessary page content, as it can't be recovered after deletion. If you're not quite ready to delete the page permanently, remember you also have the option to save it as a draft. Once you're certain that you've backed up necessary content or decided to proceed with deletion, your next step is to look for a trash icon. This signifies deletion. Click it and you'll see a prompt. Confirm by clicking on Delete. By doing so, that page is officially removed from your site. However, don't forget this crucial final step. To reflect the changes on your live site, go ahead and hit Publish. This ensures that your modifications, including the recent page deletion, are updated on your published domain. Click Publish to selected domains, and with that, your work is complete. And there you have it. You've now learned how to delete pages in Webflow successfully. Remember, if you're ever unsure, you can review these steps or reach out to additional Webflow resources for more guidance. Thanks for sticking through this tutorial with me, and happy designing.